Tesla Superchargers with CCS connectors in U.S. eligible for public funds. Tesla Superchargers in the U.S. equipped with CCS connectors will be eligible for federal subsidies. The White House has confirmed. This means the manufacturer will receive billions of dollars for maintaining the charging network for all owners of electric vehicles. The White House said Friday that Tesla Superchargers would be eligible for billions of dollars in federal subsidies if they include the standard U.S. CCS charging connection. Some superchargers of the company already have magic docks that provide this, and Tesla's efforts in this direction will continue to grow. The announcement comes after announcements by Ford Motor and General Motors that they are adopting Tesla's charging design, known as the North American Charging Standard (NACS). This is the first time the Biden administration has directly mentioned Tesla as part of an effort to provide up to $7.5 billion to build new high-speed chargers on U.S. highways. This indicates the recognition that Tesla's role in the development of the U.S. charging infrastructure is indispensable. While Tesla's stock price continues to rise, thanks to this news, shares of electric vehicle charging firms such as ChargePoint, EVgo, and Blink Charging have fallen by 11% to 13%, according to Reuters. Some of them said on Friday that they will work on adapting to the Tesla standard. Earlier this year, we developed minimum standards to ensure publicly funded EV charging is accessible, reliable, and affordable for all drivers. And we required interoperability to promote competition. White House spokesperson Robin Patterson said in a statement to Reuters. Those standards give flexibility for adding both CCS and NACS, as long as drivers can count on a minimum of CCS. Patterson said the goal is for every car to be able to use every publicly funded charger. More drivers having access to more high-quality charging, including Tesla Superchargers, is a step forward. Whether other charge point systems disappear in the same way that Betamax videotapes disappeared in the 1980s is likely to depend on policymakers, said Danny Hewson, head of financial analysis at A.J. Bell. But at the moment, Tesla is way ahead of the pack and the gap is widening. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.